Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Xiaomi 11 Lite. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and now go to settings. Now you have to click on Google Assistant and then you have to click on Hey Google and Voice Match. Now click here to enable your Hey Google. And now you have to scroll down and click I agree, then again scroll down and click I agree, then click next, and now click on retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. Now you can go back and click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. And now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant now works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.